the recent 2018 National Manufacturing Outlook and Insight Survey by Leading Edge Alliance, manufacturers express extreme optimism about the industry, their business, and overall economy. Regarding priorities for 2018, growing sales, cutting costs, attracting and retaining talent, and utilizing technology to reduce risk and build a competitive advantage remain critically important. This year, manufacturers are more optimistic about the economy than they were for 2017. In fact, most anticipate significant revenue growth compared to last year. Only 3% of respondents indicated they expect their revenue to decrease, and only 16% responded that it would stay the same. But a remarkable 81% replied that their revenue will increase. Are you prepared for how increased revenue will impact your business? With the recent outlook and changes in our tax law, 25% expect a moderate to significant decrease in taxes this year, while only 2 to 3% expect the cost of raw materials, technology, and labor to decrease. Also, beyond labor costs, operational spending increases will focus on growing sales and increasing capacity. Of those surveyed, 61% say operational spending will increase in personnel expenses like wages and training. 51% intend to expand advertising, marketing, and sales promotion. 35% expect increased technology spending. 34% will introduce a new product or service introduction. Nearly 1/3 are planning for significant capital expenditures. How will you grow sales while cutting costs? During 2018, with the optimism in revenue increasing, a majority of manufacturers expect to increase their labor force. Most manufacturers will try to fulfill their talent needs by offering more money. Alternative strategies, such as internal training programs, reducing turnover, and more deliberate succession planning, will be utilized by more than 25% of manufacturers. Through all of these potential changes and more, having a team of industry experienced advisors providing you insight and answers is critically important. We believe our firm's manufacturing and distribution group professionals are among the best.